How to change your beliefs to manifest money using the law of attraction. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and when you change your beliefs, you change your bank account. Let's dive right into this video. Belief number one, money is infinite. Belief number one, money is infinite. Comment that down below, money is infinite. But we don't look at it that way. At least that's the way that our culture conditions us. Our culture conditions us to believe that money is finite. It's a limited resource. If you get it, then a hungry person in Africa is without. So therefore, shame yourself, guilt yourself. You're bad. You shouldn't want it because other people are going to be without it if you have it. We're taught that if we sell something, even if people want it, that like somehow we're greedy because we're offering it. We are taught that there's only so much money to go around, so we're in competition with other people. Then that breeds us getting jealous when somebody has something great. And then we start telling our subconscious mind it's bad because we're jealous. But money is infinite. There's no need to be jealous. There's no need to worry about there not being enough. There's certainly no reason to guilt yourself into thinking that if you have it, God won't love you or you won't get into heaven or that you're taking away from somebody else who's starving. In fact, you're going to be able to feed them if you have money, so it's actually the reverse. And besides, they print more money every single solitary day. There's so much money that it loses its value every single day. That's actually the economic problem that we have, is that they print too much of it. So plenty of it has your name on it, but you have to believe that, and you have to get rid of this scarcity idea that there isn't enough to go around. Money isn't even all money isn't the end goal. It's the things that it can buy. Whether it's the time to be out in nature like this any day of the week, whether it's to live in your dream city, to live in your dream home, to put your kids through the best school, to pursue your passion, to eat great food. Like those are the things that, right? Or donate, like those, it's like there's only so much you can do with money. So it's like, how could money be good or bad when it's really just a medium for you to experience the life that you want? And there's infinite opportunities for you to have the life that you want. So eliminate the idea that there isn't enough. There's more than enough. You just have to be in consciousness of receiving it, and then it will start flowing to you. So belief for money number one is that money is infinite. Belief number two, I am good enough for money. See, you can believe that money is infinite, but if you don't believe you're good enough for it, it doesn't matter how much of it exists, you're not worthy of it. We generally think that money has to do with intelligence. If money had to do with intelligence in the traditional sense of you need to graduate from the best university and all these types of things, Richard Branson would not exist. The Virgin companies would not exist. Virgin Mobile, all those things, that wouldn't exist because he was dyslexic and he had a middle school education. We wouldn't have automobiles because Henry Ford was like a fifth grade education. We wouldn't have iPhones because Steve Jobs didn't finish school. What else wouldn't we have? Like nothing. It doesn't have to do with how intelligent you think you are or are not. It doesn't have to do with your GPA. It doesn't have to do with, well, I'm not very good at speaking in front of people and I'm bad with numbers and I'm bad with names and I don't understand the world of finance. All you have to understand, and the only language you have to speak, is the language of frequency. The frequency of I am good enough, because money comes in correspondence to how much of it you think you're worth. Money comes in direct response to the level of which you think you're worthy of receiving it. Which then goes to, money is just a means to an end to get certain things, right? Whether it's a place you want to live, certain cars you want to drive, certain lifestyle you want, places you want to donate, things you want to do, things you want to build, places you want to see, life you want to have. So then it goes to, well, I have to believe that I'm good enough of all those things money can buy for me that I want. Which you are, why would you not be? because everything is energy. The tree is energy, my body is energy, a house is energy, a car is energy, first class flight is energy, putting your kids through a good school is energy. It's all, everything in this physical universe is energy. And what is this energy? It's God. It's God. And it's within every cell of your body, and it's within everything else. So why would you not be worthy of experiencing it? You are. I am worthy of everything that I desire. So that's the replacement on belief number 2. To the degree that you feel worthy of receiving money and the things money can buy is to the degree it shows up. When you start to say, gosh darn it, I'm good enough. By golly, I'm smart enough. I am worthy of abundance. I'm worthy of a nice home. I'm worthy of a nice car. I'm worthy of doing what I love. I'm worthy of people buying my art, of selling my product. I'm worthy of getting a promotion. I am good enough for these things that I want out of life. Then the universal hologram, the law of attraction, responds to your frequency and brings you back the money or the other circumstances and situations that match that frequency of abundance. So comment down below, I am worthy of what I want. That's why I created the second mind. I created a technology to start retraining the mind, because the brain can start memorizing the old emotions and then it can go on a story of how it's not worthy. So I created a technology designed to keep you in the second mind, to keep you in your consciousness of I am worthy of everything that I desire. And you can demo it for free right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com. It's right there down below. And now let's move on to number 3. Number 3, I don't need money. What? I don't understand that one. I thought that we were talking about attracting it. I don't need money, it needs me. Money cannot fulfill its spiritual mission of being a means of exchange that helps people live the life that they want and have the things that they want. Money is useless without you. Money is useless without me. Money is useless without us. So money needs me. So money's got ears, and those ears are always listening because it needs to fulfill its spiritual mission of being an unconditional energy system. It's unconditional. It's neither good nor bad. It doesn't care about your past. It doesn't care about whether you think, it doesn't care about any of that stuff. It's just responding to your present frequency. So it's a very nice indicator of unconditional love. It's going to, if you don't believe you're good enough, it's not going to come to you. If you believe you're good enough, it'll come to you, no strings attached. So money has ears and it will hear when you call. Comment down below, money has ears, it hears when you call. Comment that down below. And so when you start changing that consciousness, then you're not desperate for it anymore. I need it. It's kind of the same thing, they always say if you're too desperate for, romance, the person will get turned off. Well, money's the same way, because you're broadcasting a frequency of lack when you desperately need it. All of a sudden, when you really reason with the fact that money is useless without you, then you realize it needs you more than you need it. All of a sudden, you're in a place of abundance. And money can come to you because you already are a divine being. The kingdom of heaven is already within you. All the happiness, love, and joy is already a frequency within you that you can emanate regardless of the things, the material things you do or do not have. The kingdom of heaven is within. And now I'm in a place of abundance. And money needs me. It needs to fulfill its mission. And by all means, I want it too. But I don't need it, right? And then that shift is what makes it start coming into your life. And as the amounts, the sums of money continue to grow, you always remember that the physical realm is secondary to the spiritual realm. The spiritual realm is the real wealth. And when you tap that within yourself, then the whole physical realm matches it back to you. The clients start coming, the opportunities start coming, the job, the promotion, the money, the checks, it all starts coming in response to that. So comment down below, and belief number 3 is that money has ears. It hears when you call because it needs you more than you need it. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Money is just energy. You are a divine being. I know that great things are headed your way today. I know that you're destined for a promotion. I know you're destined for a raise. I know your financial life is going to upgrade. I know money is going to come to you. And I know great things are on the way to you. Now, are you willing to receive them? Are you willing to receive them? Declare yes down below if you're willing to receive the blessings of the universe. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Extra points to someone who comments down these 3 belief systems that will allow money to start flowing into your life. Extra points to someone who comments down these 3 belief systems that we talked about in today's video. Like this video to send it out into the YouTube universe for more people to see it. Thank you again for watching. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. If you want to train your brain to start being a magnet for abundance and money, use The Second Mind. You can demo it for free right there down below, thesecondmind.com, right there down below. That's thesecondmind.com, pinned to the comments right there down below. Woo! Life is beautiful, life is great, awesome things are coming to you today. Are you willing to receive them? Say yes.